the mafias, the cabal, the cartel that is used to intimidating, robbing this country, they're yet again plotting a move to kill me. They've been having meetings in various offices, in Kampala Club, in the offices of Uganda Registration Service Bureau, and they've recruited a group of young people, and they're tapping my phone all the time. They have gone to MTN and gotten printouts of my communications on what I do. They're trailing me. I have already alerted the police. But I want to tell you that if I die, do not look. Do not even ask that there must be a postmortem done, because you already know the killers.
Sabbiti ewedde